Hi, I'm Bill Kiefer, and if you're a home mechanic and you change your oil on your own car or truck, and once you get the oil done and you got the old oil, you say, now what am I going to do with it? Well, don't pour it in the garden. No. Take it to Tom at Action Radiator in Talent, Oregon, and give Tom a call. He loves to take your old oil that you've changed from your car. So a lot of folks don't realize that Tom in Talent at Action Radiator will recycle your old oil that you changed your car and your oil. You don't have to keep it in the garage. You get rid of it. Tom would be happy to have you. Come on by. See Tom at Action Radiator in Talent right on Highway 99. I'm Bill Kiefer. Tom and his crew takes care of my vehicles, and they'll be a great mechanic for you. They'll change your oil for you too. Till next time. Hi, my name is Bill, and I want to thank you for watching. Till next time, goodbye.